What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about and do a partial review of the July 2022 CPI report that just came out this morning. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways, live streams, deal alerts, and a whole lot more. I'm actually going to be going live tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. For every friend you refer to the app by August 15th, Webull is going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares of some of the most rock-solid companies in the world. Ford, Coca-Cola, the list goes on. Everything will be linked in the description. Alright, so today I wanted to make a very quick video. This is actually going to be two videos today. This is the first one, and then a video that I already filmed is going to be coming out later tonight at the regular time. But I wanted to do a quick little summary of the July 2022 CPI report that just came out this morning, along with my monthly recommendation on how to fight inflation with inflation. And funny enough, I was sitting here waiting for the market to open so I could make this video, so I could do a little bit of an explanation as to how the market is reacting to everything going on right now. And surprise, surprise, I ended up getting so excited I completely finished my G Fuel. If anybody wants to try out some G Fuel, it's sugar-free, low-calorie, packed with a whole bunch of vitamin energy formula. $5 off. Link will be in the description. So to make this video a little easier, I'm going to just set the camera right there, and we're going to talk a little bit about this CPI report. So just to dive right in, headline inflation came in at 8.5%, down from 9.1%. So that's good news, or at least it appears to be good news for now. Inflation moved down, but we have to wait and see if it will keep moving down, because it doesn't really matter at the end of the day what inflation is doing right now or what the CPI report says that inflation did last month. What matters is what inflation does over the course of a series of months. Last month, this month, next month, the following month. We need to see consistency. We need to see, at the very least, slow progress moving in a downward direction. But 9.1% last month, and then this month, 8.5%. Month over month came in at 0%. This was a big shocker. I didn't expect it to be 0%. And core came in at 0.3%. This was actually a miss on year over year and core inflation, but with month over month coming in at 0%, it's great to see. Let's cross our fingers for it to go negative now. Now, what's funny is last night on Twitter, I actually tweeted out that I was expecting inflation to be lower than it was from the previous report, but I still expected it to be high. So I guess I was kind of right on that. And now, as for what's inside the report, I'm going to go over some categories, not all of them. So I encourage you to check out the report for yourself, review it for yourself, and please familiarize yourself with these reports. Don't just take my word for it. Just go to bls.gov and see it with your own eyes. So, as for what's inside, food up 1.1% for the month, 10.9% year over year. Energy is down 4.6%, still up 32.9% year over year. Gasoline is down 7.7%, still up 44% year over year. Apparel is down 0.1%, still up 5.1% year over year. Now, apparel, that could mean a couple of different things. It could be clothing from this store, it could be clothing from that store, it could be some DYDSS clothing from the DYDSS store, linked in the description. Thank you in advance for supporting a small business. Moving on, new cars up 0.6%, up 10.4% year over year. Used cars down 0.4%. Shelter is up 0.5%, up 5.7% year over year. Medical care services up 0.4%, up 5.1% year over year. Transportation services down 0.5%, still up 9.2% year over year. And then, of course, airline fares down 7.8%, still up 27.7% year over year. So all in all, the report looks pretty good. Inflation is still high, but appears to be on the decline. Will it stay on the decline? Time will tell. In the meantime, though, the stock market is having a great time with this news. The S&P 500 just opened up 1.75%. The Dow Jones just opened up 1.40%. The Nasdaq just opened up 2.39%. And now, before we move on to my monthly inflation versus inflation strategy, since we're talking about stocks, let me just issue a quick friendly reminder to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. You could deposit as little as you'd like, even as little as a penny. It still works, it still counts. You still get your up to 12 free fractional shares. And for every friend you refer to the app by August 15th, Webull is going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares. And you can do this 10 times, which means just click the little invite button, send it to 10 people that you know. Boom. Right then and there, you could win all the way up to 1,000 free fractional shares. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. If you don't want the stocks, go and get them anyway. They're free. Why would you not? Then just sell them, and congratulations. Now you have the cash to get whatever you want. Webull link in the description. Okay, so for those of you that didn't know, every month when the CPI report is released, I take the headline inflation number and I use that number as my goal to inflate how much I'm stacking or inflate how much I'm investing. For example, if you were planning on investing, I don't know, let's just say $1,000 this month, maybe consider inflating that by around 8.5%, the current headline inflation number, which would mean you can invest $1,085 instead. Just a little bit more. Or maybe you were planning on picking up 100 ounces of silver this month. Why not consider inflating that by about roughly 8.5% and aim for around 108.5, or just round that up to 109 troy ounces of silver instead. Or who knows? Maybe, just maybe, you wanted to pick up a 1 ounce gold coin this month. How about considering inflating that by 8.5%, or roughly 8.5%? Maybe get yourself a 1 ounce gold coin plus an extra, rounding up here, 1/10 of an ounce of gold alongside it. It's just something to take into consideration. Of course, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I've ever said on this channel was financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. I'm just documenting my own personal journey and opinions. This is just a fun way of what I like to call combating inflation with inflation. So I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know what your thoughts are regarding this report. We're seeing inflation still high, obviously still high, but lower than it was from the previous report. Do you think that this will continue to be the trend? Do you think that inflation is going to bounce back up, kind of like what we saw a couple of months ago? I think we were at 8.5%, then it went down to, I want to say 8.3, and then it popped up to 8.6, caught everybody off guard. This time around, it went from 8.6 all the way up to 9.1, and now we're looking at 8.5. Is it going to bounce back up? Is it going to keep trending downwards? Head on down to the comments and let me know. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. in the biggest possible way. We got t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs in a bunch of different designs, many of which are helping us raise some funds and awareness for different charity organizations, by the way. And of course, make sure to come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways every single month, live streams every single week. I'm going live tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget, come hang out. I post all of my videos early and commercial free. I post deal alerts on silver and gold almost every single day. And every Saturday morning I post a brand new vlog. And there are a ton of other perks as well. I guarantee you, it's worth it. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. Remember, you can deposit as little as you'd like, even as little as a penny. And it still works, it still counts, you still get your up to 12 free fractional shares. And for every friend you refer to the app, by August 15th, only a couple days left, Webull is going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares per referral. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Webull, link in the description. And last but certainly not least, if anybody wants to try out some G Fuel, I recommend the peach ring flavor or the snow cone flavor. They got like 50 different flavors to choose from. Sugar-free, low calorie, packed with a bunch of vitamins, doesn't get you all wired out and jittery like a normal energy drink would. This is an energy formula. It's supposed to give you that cleaner, healthier energy feel and improve your focus, stamina, reaction speeds, and whatnot. $5 off your first purchase by clicking the link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.